Welcome back to this week's edition of Shepherd's Wardrobe Wednesday. This week we're going to play homage to a beautiful basic, the little black dress. We have it in two versions and we're going to show it to you on several body types and then show you how to style it up. We'll be right back. The first dress we're going to show you today is our Simply tank dress. This has been one of our best basics and many women have styled it up in so many different ways. We want to revisit it because we really feel this is a fantastic basic if you don't have it in your wardrobe. Eileen is joining us today looking just fabulous in this. Why is this dress so universally flattering? It begins with this beautiful soft U-neck. This U-neck is gorgeous. Whether you have a bust or not, it will minimize a large bust, but it will enhance a small bust, and it's very feminine. There's a bra-friendly strap, and we all want bra-friendly clothing. It's not done in too thick a way. It still remains very feminine. The side of this dress cuts high, so it's going to hide anything that's going on under the arm, and then it goes to just a soft, beautiful A-line, which looks fantastic. Very feminine, and we'll show you this styled up so you get an idea of what you can do with it. Eileen is 5'9", so this dress is beautiful on a tall girl, but also we're going to show it to you on Amy, who is a petite. So next we're going to see Amy. Amy is a petite, and we wanted to show you this dress, how it looks on a smaller frame. Now Amy's also a funky girl, so we just love the way her tattoos and her funky shoes are working with this dress. But look at how tiny Amy is. She's very petite and very lean, and yet this dress is just fantastic on her. Give us a twirl. Look at that, just such nice movement. Really flatters a petite frame as well. Really universal. Here's the Simply dress styled up for evening. Now this dress again is made by Simply. It's $120, made of polyester, wash and wear, just fabulous. We've paired this with a Joseph Ribkoff evening jacket because this dress is super feminine, and you can see how you can take it to evening really easily by adding a jacket, some great accessories, and a great bag. Our second look is an Eileen Fisher tank dress. This is viscose and elastane, and Elaine is joining us wearing this beautiful piece. This dress is $268. It's a wardrobe workhorse. This is going to be with you for years. Classic design, beautiful scoop neck, again, comes high under the arm, which is a feature we love. And this is a beautiful stretch knit fabric that just really skims over the body. Even though it looks to be fitted, it's very flattering, and it's got a lot of substance to the fabric, so you're not going to see things that you don't want to see through this fabric. The second look in the Eileen Fisher tank dress. Now this tank dress is viscose and elastane, wash and wear, fantastic piece. It just works for you and works for you. It's a wardrobe workhorse. We wanted to show you this on Deborah because Deborah is a size 0 to a size 2. Now you may be saying, poor Deborah, she's a size 0, but you know, dressing a small frame can be as frustrating as if you are dressing a frame that's larger and you're finding trouble finding clothing that fits your body. So we wanted to show you this dress because it does work on a petite frame as well as a curvy frame. This is why we love it as one of our basics. Deborah's done something a little different with this, which we wanted to let you know, is that she's actually reversed the dress. So you saw the round neck on Elaine, but Deborah wears this back to front. The reason she does that is she likes a bateau neck, and a bateau neck will widen the body and actually give the dress more substance. So we thought it was a really good demonstration of how to wear this if you're super petite, you like simple classic dressing, and you want a dress that's going to go that extra mile for you in your wardrobe. So Deborah's one of our stylists here at Shepherd's at the Train Yards in Ottawa, and she styled this tank dress up. We wanted to bring her back to show you a bit of her style. Deborah, tell us what you've done with this.
Well, I've just added the Sleevy Wonders and then I'm doing a necklace.
Looks fantastic. Sleevy Wonders are available online at shepherdsfashions.com, and they're designed just to conceal the arm. If you're not comfortable showing your arms, Deborah's doing it just to be funky, I think, with this gorgeous blue leopard print and this really funky necklace. But you can get them in sheer black, cream, and they also come in a leopard design as well. Really lovely. So are you inspired to get out your little black dress? Well, come on in and try on our little black dress. We'll help you style it up to make it yours. I'm actually wearing the Eileen Fisher tank dress, and I've had it for 2 years, wash and wear, and I love it. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you'll be back next week with us at Shepherd's Wardrobe Wednesday. Are you ready?